will present the competency-based curriculum development module of instruction in carpentry in situ. First, this is the common competencies. The unit of competency prepare instruction, materials, and tools na galing po siya sa TR, which is the training regulation, unit of competency. Then sa module title, nag-add lang po kami ng ing, is the preparing construction material tools. Then module descriptor na kinuha po namin sa unit descriptor from the TR. Then for the, as you can see here, the three learning outcomes, ito po ay galing sa element from the TR, which is the identify materials, requisition materials, receive and inspect materials. Next, then the assessment criteria. Yung nga po, yung learning outcome number 1, kinuha po namin sa element, yung number 1, which is the identify materials. Then sa assessment criteria naman po, base rin po siya sa performance criteria from the TR, and so on po, from learning outcome number 1 to learning outcome number 3. Same procedure lang po. The learning outcome number 2, kinuha po namin sa element from the TR. Then the assessment criteria po, kinuha rin po namin sa performance criteria from the TR. Same procedure po. Sa learning outcome number 3, yung learning outcomes, kinuha po namin sa element from the TR. Then sa assessment criteria, sa performance criteria from the TR. Next is content. Yung sa content naman po is kinuha po namin siya sa evidence guide. Naka-align po yung underpinning knowledge and underpinning skills, yung mga components po doon. Yun po ang nilagay namin dito sa contents, from learning outcome number 1 to learning outcome number 3. Same procedure lang po. The next, sa conditions, from learning outcome number 1, conditions, kinuha po namin siya sa range of variables, which is yung materials and tools. Kinuha lang po namin sa variables yung sa condition. Same with the learning outcome number 2 and learning outcome number 3. There's a methodologies and assessment methods. Excuse me. Dito naman po is kinuha po namin siya sa common competency sa unit 2, yung methodology. As you can see here, sa methodology is may mga nakalagay na audio, visual, simulation, discussion, practical lab, and demonstration. Kinuha lang po namin siya sa methodology from the TR. Yung mga components po doon, inad lang po namin sa methodologies dito po sa MOI. Same procedure po dito sa assessment approach. Sa assessment methods, yung mga components po na nakalagay dito is kinuha lang po namin sa assessment approach. Same lang po from learning outcome number 1 to learning outcome number 3. Methodologies from MOI, kinuha yung mga components from TR, methodology, then assessment method. Sa MOI, kinuha lang po namin sa
Re-report nga na ako, mag-report.
TR, training regulation, sa assessment approach. Same procedure lang po from learning outcome number 1 to learning outcome number 3. Then next is si Carlo na po mag-present. Then assessment criteria, Carlo take charge.
From assess... bago na to, Mark. I will continue the competency-based curriculum from common competency. First, yung unit of competency is observed procedures, specification, and manuals of instructions. Nakuha lang po namin yan sa TR. For module title naman po is observing. Naglagay lang po kami ng ing. Sa TR lang po yung galing, and yung nominal duration po ng time is 8 hours. From summary of learning outcomes naman po, sa element, kinuha lang po namin sa TR yung identify and access specification manuals, interpret manuals, LO3, apply information and manual, and LO4, store manuals. From assessment criteria is nakuha namin sa TR yung performance criteria, in-include lang namin yan. Same procedure po from LO2 and sa LO3 and LO4. Same procedure man lang po. Yung assessment criteria is nakuha namin sa performance criteria ng TR. For content, sa content is nakuha namin sa TR ng Carpentry NC2 dyan sa evidence guide. In-include lang namin yung critical aspect of competency. In-include lang namin sa content. Same procedure po sa LO number 2. Sa evidence guide po namin yung kinuha yung sa contents. LO number 3 and LO number 4. Same procedure man lang po yung paggawa namin. For condition naman po is yung condition po is nakuha namin yun sa TR range of variable. In-include lang namin po yung sa condition. Same procedure po sa LO number 2, LO number 3, and LO number 4. Sa range of variables namin kinuha sa TR. From methodologies naman po and assessment methods. Methodologies and assessment methods is nakuha din lang naman namin sa TR. In-include lang namin yung group discussion and interaction sa methodologies. For assessment approach or methods is questioning, observation, and written test and demonstration. Same procedure man lang po, LO2 to LO3 and LO4. Same process man lang po yung ginawa namin sa methodologies and assessment methods.
And this assessment criteria naman po ulit. Same procedure na po. Dito po sa unit of competency, performance mensuration and calculation, kiluan lang po namin sa unit of competency, which is the performance mensuration and calculation from the TR. Then sa module descriptor, kinuha lang po namin siya sa unit descriptor. This is unit covers knowledge, skill, attitude, identifying and measure objective based on the required performance standard. Then as you can see here, the summary of learning outcomes, meron tayong dalawa lang, which is the select measuring instrument, carry out measurement and calculation, na kinuha lang po namin siya sa element from the TR. The next, content. From learning outcome number 1, content, kinuha po namin siya sa evidence guide. Then naka-align po yung underpinning knowledge, underpinning skills. Then yung component po na nakalagay dito sa underpinning knowledge and underpinning skills, nag-select po kami ng information na compatible dito po sa content sa module of instruction. Same procedure lang po from learning outcome number 1 to learning outcome number 2. Yung mga all the information na naka-attach dito sa contents, kinuha lang po namin sa evidence guide, underpinning knowledge and underpinning skills, and kinapi lang po namin. Conditions. Sa condition naman po, learning outcome number 1, kinuha lang po namin sa range of variables. Yung geometric shape, measuring instrument, measurements, and calculation. Kinuha lang po namin siya sa range of variables from the TR. Same procedure lang po. From learning outcome number 1 to learning outcome number 2, all the information na nakalagay dito sa condition ay nag-base lang rin po kami sa range of variable sa TR. Methodologies and assessment method. From learning outcome number 1, sa methodologies, all the information na naka-attach dito is nag-base kami sa methodology from the TR. Same approach po dito sa assessment method, kinuha lang po sa assessment approach from the TR. Same procedure lang po from the learning outcome number 1 to learning outcome number 2. Okay na ata to, wala na baga.
Tapos na ata yun.
Tapos na ata.
That's
Ay,
all
wala,
for
thank you.
presentation po, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you po.
Thank you po sir, thank you po everyone. May na lang internet.